Yeah. So I can see you and you're audible to me. Am I audible? And can you see me clearly?
Yes, yes, yes. I think today we decided to wear orange.
Actually, well coordinated. Yeah. Hi, everyone. Yes. Hi, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. And I hope you're all doing great. You're keeping safe. And today, luxury meets designer Rosie Aluwalia. So, a warm welcome to you, Rosie, on madhvisluxury.co.
Thank you so much.
Where luxury meets designer Rosie Aluwalia. So, Rosie, as you know, that I personally believe that everyone has a story, everyone has a journey, and I know you have a very, very interesting journey and a story. So, today, would love to know your story, your journey, and especially your journey to Bollywood.
Oh, yeah, that's really wonderful. Yeah, I think before we could start a conversation, Madhavi, I think you from 1 month you're trying to connect and to get on live, but somehow we could not. I'm so happy finally we're here together. And,
Absolutely.
Yes. And my journey of Bollywood is very, very simple because I'm from Kolkata, not from Delhi. And I got married over here. And
Okay.
it was very difficult. It was very difficult to get into Bollywood, as you know. Everywhere there are politics. There's everything. You know, nobody wants anyone to come in front. So, but somehow, when your vision is very clear, when you know what your vision is, I think one can always, get the success. So I did the same. I followed my own rules. I never gave up in my life. My journey was tough, but I got the success. But I'm still learning. I still want to grow, and my vision is too big.
Wonderful. I'm sure you're going to achieve your vision someday. And I know that many Bollywood celebrities have worn your special collections and appreciated your work. And you've been part of many Bollywood movies as a costume designer. So, Rosie, if I may know about your background, like, do you come from the fashion industry? Did you, do your designing courses, or you come from a fashion college, or is it like by passion you're into it?
See, fashion has made into my work. You know, my everybody has a passion, so that becomes your work. So my passion was fashion. So I turned into a designer. But yes, I belong to Calcutta, and my background is not into fashion, but I have done my course in Kolkata, and I was working before marriage also. I had my own factory. I was supplying to many places, and I was doing a lot of fashion shows that time. I'm talking about the year '95.
I see.
But then Delhi, when I got married and I got work in Bombay, it was a big achievement. First movie which I did was One Night Stand with Tanuj Barmani and Sunny Leone, and Jasmine D'Souza gave me a break.
Yeah. Awesome.
And then it went on. Then it went on. It's just when happen when you get a break. So you hold that the rope. You know, you don't leave that rope. So you can climb.
True. Right, absolutely. Wonderful. So you do have a background on fashion. I mean, coming from Calcutta itself, it started in Calcutta and you carried it on in Delhi as well. And of course, Mumbai, the city of, Bollywood. And how has the experience being designing costumes for these, film stars? Is it like really tough? Are they tough to handle?
Yes,
and manage?
They are very tough to handle. It's not easy. One thing is doing designing for these cover movies. It's difficult because when you get the script, you get those. The script is around 2,000 pages, and you have to go with every line with every frame. It's difficult, and then the fittings. It's a tough job. It's not so easy. If you are paid or if you do your costume for the free of cost, still it's very tough. But I have worked with Gauhar Khan. I've worked with Evelyn Sharma. I've worked with many of them, but they were all very easy. They were not tough for me at least. But I had that kind of hitch.
Yeah. Any personal experience, good or tough, whatever, would you like to share with the audience your journey in Bollywood, basically, as a costume designer, as a fashion designer? Any personal experience if you would like to share? It could be a good experience or tough with the guy, these industry people, anything.
I think, yes, it's tough, but you enjoy when you see the screen, when you see your clothes worn by these celebs, and when you watch them on the big screen, you feel you've achieved everything. So tough makes you learn, and we are still learning a lot. Have your think it's you should pick up all challenges.
Right, true.
Ankit, is that something about you and me? Thank you, Ankit.
Yeah, please stay and enjoy the chat. Thank you, Ankit. So nice of you. I mean, good to see you here. And Rosie, other thing I wanted to know, like, once you design costumes for Bollywood, since our country and our people are very, very much Bollywood driven, when you see something on screen, some star wearing that costume, you also want to own that costume. You also want to wear those kind of clothes because you like them, you admire them, and you are real huge fans of some of these stars. So did it help you pick up more business because you were designing costumes for Bollywood?
Yeah. The people have that mindset. If she's wearing that clothes, I have to wear the same design. I have to wear them. They pay you good. It is. I think it's the mentality of all of us. Maybe it's Hollywood or Bollywood, everywhere Tollywood. Everybody wants to do the same. But for me, as a designer, I will always suggest advice to all of them. Please look at yourself first. Everybody cannot become Shah Rukh Khan. Everybody can't become Sunny Leone. So one should know about their body also. How you carry it. It doesn't matter how expensive your clothes are. It only matters how you carry it and how you look good. So my advice to all of them: if suppose I'm wearing a short mini and I have heavy thighs, it will look nice. This is what as a mentor, I always tell my students also. Whenever you're designing clothes, see the measurements, how they carry. That's very important.
Perfect. Absolutely. And even when a client comes to you, so I'm sure you consult them on their body shape and their body type, and then advise them what should look nice on them and what should they wear actually as per their physique and body type, right?
When I was a beginner, when I was doing these kind of shooting, fashion show, people just never believe me. But I always had a principle कि मैंने design नहीं करना. अगर आपको मेरी बात नहीं समझ में आ रही और आपको कपड़े उल्टे सीधे चाहिए मुझसे, and I know you're going to look weird, so I should never take on you. Maybe I just sound very rude, but I kept my foot up, not for money, but for my name. If you're looking very weird and somebody asks you who has designed for you, you're looking very bad, very pathetic. So of course they'll take the designer's name. So I always had this principle, and for me, I tell all my students, always remember, your name is very important. Money बाद में चाहिए, पहले आपका नाम चाहिए. अगर आपका डिजाइन पे नाम खराब होता है, you should never go for that order. So this is I believe. Yes.
Wonderful. So guys, anybody who wants to go for an honest opinion and a good costume must contact Rosie Ahluwalia. She's right here with us. And Rosie, how do they reach out to you, or where do they get it made from you? Is there a store, or is there a how do we get in touch with you if you want a costume to be made from you?
See, I have stores in Defense Colony. It's still this lockdown now, so we have in Instagram, we have our people marketing, social media is there. So everybody can reach out. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आप मेरे तक नहीं पहुंच सकते. I have orders. WhatsApp numbers available on the social media everywhere. Whoever wants to get their clothes design, they can reach us to us. It's very easy. It's not a problem. And we're coming up with a website also online. It will become more easier for them to choose any kind of clothes they want.
Wonderful, perfect. And I mean, looking at the current scenario, are you getting more online? Because as of now, people are reluctant to go to the stores and try. Even big designers, everybody, all of you are facing that issue, I believe.
No.
Because I've been reading in the newspapers.
Yes. Absolutely, Madhavi, I agree to it. I am also a little scared of making people try my clothes. I don't want to get into trouble. Or I don't want anyone to face any kind of health problem. As Corona is actually very serious. It's not the sanitizer लगा ले आप ठीक हो गए. So we have given options on the online only. So one can reach to us and can. But abhi no fittings we are doing right now. No fittings.
Not right now. Right. So we're still waiting for things to get all right, basically.
But the masks are selling very good. I have made khadi masks with the khadi bags, where I have one handkerchief and 2 masks and sanitizer. It's easy to carry and wash it.
Right, wonderful. Yeah, because I believe that you are also promoting Khadi big time. You want to be promoting Khadi all over the globe, and we'll come to that as well. I want to also know that you've been a part of the Cannes Film Festival and lately promoted your Khadi collection on the red carpet at the Hollywood tribute to Oscar screening. So that's like something amazing, and you make our country proud for sure. So how has the experience of being a part of Cannes Festival and Oscars been for you? Any experience?
Yes, it was very beautiful experience. It's an achievement, for all of us.
Absolutely.
And it's a dream for every designer to be that level. Any designer coming to Cannes and coming to Hollywood tribute to Oscar, it's a dream. So when I reached my first show in Cannes was like I was in tears. I did it finally. I made my country proud. I represented India with my Khadi collection, and it was something which was commendable. And what the respect I got when I reached to India, it was a very good experience.
Right. As well as the Oscar screening.
It was again when we watch these Hollywood movies and we see the gala dinners. It was the same experience we had with the long gowns, red carpet, models walking down. We were called on the stage. We were called for the interviews. We were given that name. Getty images were there. It was a beautiful experience. Yes, and Khadi, and they were only talking about Khadi, So
right.
It was fantastic.
Yeah, so I believe you've already reached, a great heights, and I'm sure there's much more that you want to contribute related to Khadi all over the globe. And you also represented India, India as the official fashion designer at the largest India Day parade, which happens every year in the New York City. You've been a part of that as well.
That was fabulous. That was something when I had Kamal Hassan ji, such a great actor. Then I had his daughter Shruti Hassan, I had Kailash Khelji, Shivani Kashyap, and I was with them in the middle, on the stage, and I was on the dice also with them. That was a beautiful experience, but I got the support from the government also. From India government also I got support, and it was a dream basically. Going to New York for the 2 lakh people were there.
Oh my God!
So you can imagine how one can feel. So
lovely.
It was fantastic.
So you've already made a mark in New York, Cannes, and Oscar screening, which is a real proud moment for you. I'm sure you must have been at a real high, being at all these places. This is a dream for people, designers to be over there. So it's amazing to see that. And I believe your brainchild is to promote. Your brainchild is to promote Khadi as an Indian identity and national pride. By her, Dikha Khadi, right? That's the slogan.
Yeah, Dikha Khadi is my brand, and it's my brainchild Khadi because I think before Modi ji bought this Khadi, people the awareness of Khadi I was doing before that, and Dikha Khadi brand was doing really wonders because I did a lot of fashion shows. I made Khadi into a lot glamorous. People used to think Khadi is very boring, it's a very like kurta pajama or something, but I made sure Khadi looks absolutely stunning with short dresses, backless dresses, good tops, which I proved in the Hollywood tribute to Oscars. Yes, with the couture gowns of Khadi was something where everybody was surprised to see that Khadi collection.
Lovely.
It was something very big.
Lovely.
Yes.
I think you even started much before vocal for local. Even before Modi ji announced it, you've been already working on it, I believe, and now it's going to get even more and pick up even more. And so what measures are you exactly taking to promote Khadi so far? What have you exactly done? Of course, being in these festivals, but how about the clientele, the local clientele, as you call it, or the domestic, our country? Are they appreciating it as much?
Yeah, because I'm bringing Khadi into bridal also. People in the NI's clients, when you talk about bridals, they look into good stores. So I just spoke with the Fiki also. Why can't we have bridal couture collection? So I bought this bridal couture collection in India, and a good demand was there. See, Khadi doesn't mean only cotton. Khadi means raw silk also. Khadi means anything pure thread. And we, of course, I am supporting a lot of weavers and clusters. So I don't think every embroidery can take anywhere in any fabric.
Right, and I believe Khadi is a very rich and royal fabric. Like it's been always it's expensive. Like maybe different to the mindset of the people. Maybe they think it's not something that is glamorous or something that can be made into something like backless, you said, gowns and all that. Yeah. But you've created it, and I'm sure it looks stunning and royal. And so any of the Bollywood stars that you have designed their costumes for, if you remember any of the names that you've done their, outfits from Bollywood?
I did Khadi outfit. khadi outfit for him, also for Calendar Girls. I made khadi outfits for many of the celebs. I made for Sunny Leone, I made for Tanil Varmani, I made I did the glamorous gown for Gaurav Khan. So there are a lot of people have done. So I've done a couple of movies also. So my two movies are on the pending. I think once it all goes down to the web series, I've done one web series also. I think that it's on the pipeline, in the November makeup. So I am doing a couple of things with the costumes. So
Right.
forward.
So if I may ask, what do you enjoy most? I mean, designing it for the stars or designing it for these festivals abroad, internationally, or for the domestic clientele? What's your most passion? What do you like to design most for? Or you have a dream to design for someone?
See, I just love to design. Maybe it's a Bollywood star, maybe it's a client. I treat my client as a star. If they're coming to me with that kind of mindset, that if they're going to Rosie Ahluwalia and they look the best, I make sure I give all my 100% to them. For me, all are equal. And
Wonderful.
Of course, my dream of designing for one actress was for Deepika Padukone, which was I really am looking forward to design clothes for her. But I think she looks stunning.
Right. I'm sure someday you will do it and we'll see your output being worn by her in future.
And Madhavi will take my interview again.
And also, Rosie, like you are a very popular person on media and channels as well. Like many channels like MTV Beats, ZTV, Aaj Tak have featured your collection in their channels. So that's also like, they like your collection. They've seen you going places and they like to feature and cover you. How does it feel, when you are being so...
That's very, very, you feel very happy to see you.
Gratifying.
In fact, yes, because ZTV was doing Dilli Darlings. I'm sure all of you know about Dilli Darlings. So I did 2 episodes. So they featured my entire collection of khadi. That was something very big. And
Wonderful.
then I did MTV Beats. It's a big channel. It's a big platform.
Right.
There was a serial called House of Seven States. It was a reality show. So I was a mentor for them. And then we had a khadi show that had a grand finale with Sonu Sood was there. And all were there. So it was something very big for me also. And then NDTV, Aaj Tak, India TV, they all covered my collection with my bridal couture for khadi, for everything. So it was something very nice.
Yeah, and I think as you said, all that glitters is not gold. I always feel, because there's a lot of hard work behind all this when you're designing costumes for film stars or for any of these channels or, anybody. There's a lot that goes behind.
Lots of effort. It's not only a designer, but of course people working with me, my assistant, my team. It's tough for all of them because the coordination has to be the same, because design kapde karne se nahi ho sakta, because we have to have the measurements, we have to coordinate with the stars. Because एक movie आप करते हो तो उसके 100 garments होते हैं, 100 to 200 garments. So designer only can't do that. So for that we need a very good team. So I'm blessed to have a good team like Shalini, we have Nishikant, we have a lot of people with me, working with me. And I'm happy. And I give my credit to my neighbors also. Because without them, we are nothing. The hard work they do. So my credit goes to my team, than me. Than myself, to my team, it goes more.
Right. Yeah, it's a collaborative team effort. Then only you are able to do it. Otherwise, it's impossible for one person to kind of look at everything and every detail. It's impossible. And how do you see the fashion of future, future of fashion in the coming times? Looking at the scenario, do you think that most of the designers are going to boycott Chinese? What do you have to say on that, respect to that?
Madhavi, it's a very big question because boycott China for designers, because we have to do it, because we are also depending on China buttons, the laces, the fabrics, a lot of things. But जब से मैं खादी कर रही हूँ, जब से I can see my collection, it has improved. I'm doing well. I think we can go without them also. अगर हमें बटन भी बनाना है, we can get more Swarovski made और कुछ thread से कर सकते हैं buttons to make it more beautified. जरूरी नहीं है कि हमें चाइना से ही buttons लगाने हैं and it can sell. If your fabric is good, designs are good, fittings are good, I think any stuff can sell. Maybe वो Rosie Ahluwalia का हो, दिखा दो, XYZ हो. Finishing and fitting is very, very important. We can beautify our garments beautifully. China को boycott करना, of course we should all do it because as you know, the trouble, our shoulders have died and it was a great contribution. So we should also contribute from our side. We can't go to the borders, but we can sit here and do something for them. Do for the families कि हम भी साथ हैं, आप अकेले नहीं हो. We are together. We are Indians. हम स्वदेशी कुछ ज्यादा करें, मानते दे, वो ज्यादा बिकेगा और हमारी इकोनॉमी ऊपर उठेगी. ये मेरा मानना है. Personally.
True. Very well said. Very well said. Be Indian, buy Indian, and it's time to go, vocal about local truly. So we should, promote that, and we should try and get it done in India itself, and rather than getting it, because you're completely right, it will help our economy also, and we'll rise, financially as well as a country. And if I may ask you, Rosie, definition of luxury according to you, what's the definition of luxury?
Oh, that's a dream. Luxury is something where everybody dreams. वो छोटा हो, बड़ा हो, कोई भी हो. Luxury is luxury. Who doesn't want to have the luxury? अगर आप मेरे को बोलो, of course I want to have a luxury home, luxury car. Luxury is also very, very important. And I think आपसे अच्छा कोई बताने वाला कोई हो ही सकता है. I should take an interview rather.
Yeah, because why? Because reason being that I am in contact and I have most of the clients who are high-end luxury clients. So, I exactly know what's owning a beautiful house like a penthouse by Trump Towers or MBS or a wedding in Italy or, jewelers like TPZ and other who have been on board with me. So definitely, yeah, luxury, there's no limit.
Yes, I have witnessed exhibitions where you give a chance, platform to those designers, those who come to you from out of Delhi. I have done that. I think you've done a wonderful job for all of them to give them so much of media, clients and everything. And I'm sure I'm going to join hands with you very soon. So
sure. Sure, will be pleasure and honor, and I would love to take it globally as you. That's your dream. So taking Khadi globally. And how do you plan to do that? How do you plan to take it internationally?
See, Madhuri, I've been traveling around the world and promoting Khadi around the world in Houston, in Los Angeles, in Las Vegas, Canada, Malaysia, Singapore. Name any country I have been there promoting my Khadi. And लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा appreciate किया है because the fabric is very soft and it's wearable also, washable also.
Okay.
And people have repeated
how about if I may ask you one question, which most of the people, our relatives abroad, are concerned about the maintenance of the fabric, because they prefer fabrics which don't need much of maintenance, being in a country like there where they don't have much of, they have a lot of maintenance issues, so they like to which are comfortable. And
जो machine में डाला धुल गया, they want that type.
Exactly.
I have met a lot of people over there, and I've been interacting with them. I have my clients around the world, so they're okay with any kind of fabric. As far the fabric looks should good, design should be good. They're ready to wash with the hands also. आपको जैसे पता ही है कि बाहर में तो हफ्ते में एक बार कपड़े धोते हैं वो लोग. So they're ready to wash those designer clothes to wash with themselves also. There's no awareness here उनको ये बात की.
Yeah, as long as they're getting good quality and something nice to wear, which they enjoy, and would like to flaunt, so they don't mind, them including
washing
part
their
also.
Yes.
Absolutely. True. And what is the advice you would like to give to the newcomers who want to get into fashion industry as a fashion designer or a fashion stylist? What is the scope do you see? And if any advice you would like to give to the newcomers?
See, for me, as a mentor, as you know, I am the mentor for NIFT Institute. I am the mentor for Vidya Institute, and many institutes I'm a mentor. I always tell them ki never give up in life. It's a challenge. Any stream you pick up, it's a challenge. It's a struggle. It's not easy going. कि golden spoon है आपने डाला पैसे डाला आपको success मिल गई. Possible नहीं.
Right.
You have to really work hard for that. If you have a clear vision and you never give up, your dreams are going to come true. That's my experience. Coming from Calcutta, knowing no one in Delhi, I still managed somehow to get the contacts to reach to Oscars, Cannes, and Parade. वो कैसे हुआ? It's that I have never given up. Everybody pulls you down. The industry pulls you down. Nobody wants to grow. But it's up to you. Your inner strength, how strong you are, you must go ahead. That's my my advice to law people. But मैं एक बात और कहना चाहती हूँ for the boycott of China, we can talk more about that. कि लोग सोचते हैं fancy shampoos है या fancy covers है, so China का product अंदर अच्छा होगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अगर आप इंडिया के product भी use करते हो, shampoos use करते हो, oils करते हो, they are much better than China products. Do not go for the fancy bottles. because we get fascinated. If you look at the makeup also, हम देखते हैं बहुत खूबसूरत bottle है तो बहुत अच्छी होगी.
Yeah.
Packing
It's more about the quality should be good actually, and definitely I think you've given a beautiful message to the youngsters also who want to get into the industry. Very inspiring and motivational, I must say. And personally, I would like to congratulate you for your achievements and you've done commendably good. Wishing you good luck in near future as well. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Madhavi. It was nice talking to you. I'm looking forward to join hands and make this my Dikha Khadi worldwide. Of course, a luxury. You have more experience, and we all get a break. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my people who are hearing us. Thank you so much. Take care.
Thank you, everyone. Yeah, thanks. Bye-bye.
Thank you.